Did not look comfortable for Mannarino after the point. Well played, Rube.
Coach. Several years.
Fall to Mannarino.
The Christmas break. Before the New Year's out.
5-4.
Really intrigued to see what Mannarino can do in this match.
If you're enjoying yourself, clap your hands. Here's the beat.
Seven, 5.
Get it signed.
Eight, 6.
Matches.
Shot. Massive forehand.
Kicked over before.
Yeah, who was that?
I think it was Holger Rune.
Oh, yes. So, Max, you still want to talk to him, do you?
Sure, because sometimes that buzzer doesn't work.
Right, so who are you choosing to chat to?
You know what?
Wouldn't put it past him. That's a lovely touch.
Not over yet. Who's here with these in Rublo?
That forehand's back in action there.
Oh.
What a shot from Mannarino. Targeting the Rublev forehand. Just messing with Rublev, and another good start from Mannarino here.
Oh, incredible tension.
Great effort with the tweener there. That's more like it from Andrey Rublev.
6-3. Mannarino.
Absolutely creamed that forehand.
What's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. Mannarino's beating Rublev.
Oh, good effort.
Let's hear it from our players.
He gave it back,
7-5. Mannarino.
but he's quite happy.
I gave it back. We had this last year at the grand final. Same venue, karaoke session, Saturday night.
Came alive, didn't it?
I did yesterday.
Yeah, not feeling it today, you know?
No, just Fridays.
8-7. Mannarino.
Oh, that's a great shot. He's pushed it. He has nothing.
It's clear. Andrey Rublev.
Oh, no way.
Yes, way. Into the lines once again, Jenny. And he's 2 points from stealing this quarter.
Mannarino before a deciding point. Oh, he's made it. How on earth did he manage to clip the line there? It doesn't matter though, because he has, and he's got a 2 quarters to love lead against Andrey. Qualified for the semi-finals. Adrian Mannarino will be eliminated, but a win, first win here in London, still on the cards for the French, making it far more accessible for people who do have disabilities.
4-1 Rublev.
Here comes Andrey Rublev.
On fire tonight.
You don't want to melt it.
No, I mean, this is the live environment where he can work on it. This is the test for him. We've had the meltdown. He's backing his own serve here.
If Mannarino gets this, we're all even. It's out. Not by much. And a fist.
That's not my job in this quarter. Okay, Andrey Rublev keeps this match alive. 2-1 Mannarino.
Are you enjoying yourself right now?
No.
Why not?
I don't know why. Why you need to know why?
Because I'm intrigued. I'm trying to tap into the mind of Andrey Rublev.
Okay.
So,
Tell me.
why are you not enjoying yourself?
I don't know. Why you need to know why? We're gonna keep doing circles.
You are so annoying.
I know. I don't try to be different.
And that he has done many times. 17 times he's won on the UTS Tour. He is top of the leaderboard in terms of matches won.
Yeah, 15 of those have been after a 1-0 lead, so it's a fast start.
Wow.
6-3.
Yep, the grunt means him.
I think if there was an empty room, he'd want to win.
Then for Rublev.
Incredible, fantastic, unbelievable. Rublo on fire.
That's much better from the Frenchman.
Earlier about getting over yesterday's match. I think he meant this afternoon's match. A long day for him.
Oh, well played.
49.
He's using his racket as a seat right now.
That did not look comfortable for Mannarino after the point. Well played, Rube.
Topple down.
Well, for the second time today, for UTS and for Adrian Mannarino, we will be going to sudden death.
First player to win 2 consecutive points wins this match.
Crowd are into it.
Oh, is he there? He's there. Oh, he's not up. He is not up.
Match point, Rublev.
Great hands from Rublev, wasn't it?
Match point, Rublev.
Match complete.
And there it is. Andrey Rublev secures his 3rd win here at the UTS Grand Final in London. He is undefeated so far. Somehow he manages to come back from 2 quarters to love down. And he looks a tired man.